So today we're going to be doing the N5 Gengo Jishiki Bunpo and Dokkai, which would be your grammar and your reading comprehension. So I am doing these videos to help you out on understanding what the JLPT is and what you can expect. This will be a multiple part video. And these sheets I got from the actual JLPT website. These are just practice sheets. Here we go. So, 問題1。過去に何を入れますか ?1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So, of course, it's asking you to select from 1, 2, 3, and 4 and choose the best one. 一番いいもの and put it into the parentheses, 過去。So let's look at the first example. 例。これ、鉛筆です。So this pencil. This. What would this be? This would be は。これは鉛筆です。This is a pencil. 日本何々ラーメンは美味しいです。日本ラーメンは美味しいです。So our options are ni, no, o, e. So in this situation, we are looking at ramen is delicious. So in this situation, we want to use a possessive. We want to say that Japan's ramen is delicious, right? So we want to say that Nihon's ramen is delicious. In this situation, we would use no, or use for possessive, right? So 日本のラーメンは美味しいです。Okay, 2番。私には兄弟が2人います。弟 something 妹です。So 私には兄弟が2人います。弟 something 妹です。So we have は妹が。So we are saying that I have So 兄弟 would be siblings. So in this situation, this would be our topic, right? We're talking about our 兄弟, and we're using imas, not arimas, because we are talking about living, moving people. That's when you use imas. So we have ototo, we have our younger brother, and imoto, younger sister. So we want to say that I have 2 siblings, a younger brother, younger sister. We want to say and. So we want to say to. So this would be our and, right? So this one is what they would use to trick you in the sense that mo is used for also. But in this situation we want and. So just keep an eye out for that. Yamashita. So here we have a conversation. Yamashita and Tanaka. So Tanaka-san. 何々昨日どこかに出かけましたか And Tanaka says いえ家にいました Sorry, Yamashita-san is asking Tanaka-san so, 昨日 yesterday どこかに出かけましたか So どこか somewhere出かけましたか So 出かける Excuse my stroke order So 出かける出かける is to go out So yesterday Tanaka-san did you go out yesterday? Did you go out somewhere yesterday? So since we were talking to him and he is our subject, we're going to say right? He's our topic marker, sorry. So, 田中さんは昨日どこかに出かけましたか 家の家にいました. I stayed home. I was at home. So our option for this one was wa. Number 4. So this is a situation. We are in a taxi. Taxi de. A-san says, 次のカードを右 something 曲がってください. And B-san says, わかりました. Our options are がやかに. So 次のカードを右. So 次 next. The next 角 corner. Sorry for the poor handwriting. Right. 曲がってください. So 曲がる. Magaru is to turn. So we are asking the taxi driver to turn right at the next corner. And in this situation, since we're going on a direction, right? We're going towards somewhere. And in those kinds of situations, we use the particle of ni. So remember that ni can be used in two different ways. It can be used as indirect subject marker, and it can also be used to point out direction or destination. So number 5. 昨日私は一人映画を見に行きました. Alright. So yesterday 私は一人 So I 一人映画を見に行きました. 映画 movie. Me to see. 行きました. So it's ました, so it's past. I went. So we want to say, in this situation, we want to say, I went to go watch a movie yesterday. I went to go watch a movie by myself. So hitori by itself would be just, well, one person. But we want to say by ourselves. We use de as the means of. It kind of sounds weird, but the means of oneself, by myself. Hitori de. 映画を見に行きました. I went by myself. 一人で. 6. 山下 is talking to 田中さん. 今日パーティーがありますから、田中さん来てください. ありがとうございます. says 田中さん. So our options are にもやで. So 今日パーティーがありますから. So because there is a party today, because we're having a party today, 田中さん来てください. Please come. So they are having a party and they want 田中さん to also come, right? So as we said earlier, it would not be to, it would not be and. We want also. So we want mo. We want him to also come. Also come, please. Thank you. ありがとうございます. Number 7. Tanaka is again another conversation. この帽子は山田さんですか? Yamada san says, はい. Yes. Yes. So this hat, 帽子は山田さんですか? So he's asking, is this Yamada-san's hat? Is this your hat? We're being formal, so we don't say you. We always use people's names when we're talking politely. So is this your hat, Yamada-san? Is this yours? We're using possessive. No. Is this your hat? Is this Yamada-san's hat? Yes. Number 8. 駅までタクシーで1000円です。駅までタクシーで1000円です。So we have the options of ぐらい、など、ごろも. So we are saying that up until to the station by taxi, it takes 1,000 yen. We want to say it takes about 1,000 yen to get to the station by taxi. 駅までタクシーで1000円 So in this situation, it would be gurai. Gurai. It is about. About, around, an estimation. Nado, no, mo, no. In this situation, they might want to trick you by using goro, which is similar in the sense of around, but it's more of time, specific times. So we were to say, let's see, juji goro. We would be saying like around 10 o'clock. So this is more specifically on time, maybe like, asagoro, around, in the morning-ish time. But when we're using gurai, it's more about quantities, specific quantities. Number 9. Sayonara. A-san says, B-san says, sayonara, mata, something. So goodbye, goodbye, mata, again, mata, something. So we were gonna say, goodbye, see you again. When are we gonna see this person again? So our options are ototoi, which would be the day before yesterday, impossible. Kyo, goodbye, see you again today. Not in this situation. It wouldn't sound natural to say goodbye, see you again today. Kongetsu, I see you this month. No. Here we want to say raishu. See you next week. Raishu. Number 10. Watashi no haha wa 50 歳です。父は55歳です。母は父 something 5歳若いです。So 若い is young, right? Young. So my mother is 50 years old. My dad is 55 years old. My mom is 5 years young. So what were we trying to say here? We were trying to say that my mother is 50, my dad is 55. So my mom is 5 years younger. So she is お母は父より5歳若い. So we were saying when we use yori is when you kind of use the comparative. You're saying that, so in a situation where you would say yori wakai, it would be younger. ER, right? More than something. 11. Another conversation. Kodomo, child. Itadakimasu. So, we can tell that they are about to eat. Haha. Taberu. Te o araimashou. Taberu. Something. Te o araimashou. So our hands. Araimashou. Arau. Arau. So that would be to wash. We're gonna wash our hands. Eating. So our options are mae ni, no mae ni, ato ni, no ato ni. So what do we have here? So it can't be ato, because that would be after. You wash your hands after eating. Well, maybe if you eat your hands. But no, we don't usually wash our hands after eating. So in this one also you can say, because it says ato, you can tell, you can cross those out. So our options are mae ni or no mae ni. So we want to use mae ni, taberu mae ni. So before eating, we wash our hands. So let's wash our hands. This is the mashou, right? This is the volitional form, saying let's do something or recommending someone to do something. No mae ni, this is kind of tricky in this situation where if you were to use no mae it would be more of like a physical placement of something. Something is in front of something. No mai ni arimasu. There's something in front of something. 12. Another conversation. 東京でも雪が降りますか？降りますよ。でも去年はあまり something. そう、東京でも雪 snow. So snow. 降ります。降る。降る. It's only used for, I guess, weather related things. So 雪が降る. So 雪が降る. Sorry for the really bad writings here. So snowing. It kind of adds to the verb of snowing. So yuki by itself is snow. Yuki ga furu is snowing. So there's also ame, rain, but it would be ame ga furu, raining. It's raining. So our answer here is 降りますよ。でも去年はあまり. So yes. 降りますよ. So you're saying yes, it does snow. でも but 去年はあまり something. 去年 last year. Years, right? あんまり. So when you see あまり, there's the connotation of something negative. It's not so much, right? So let's look at our options here. So we have 降りませんでした。降りません。降りました。降ります. So it cannot be 降ります because this is a present. 降りません. It doesn't. This could be future or present. It does not snow, right? Were you talking about snow? 降りました. This is past, but we want 降りませんでした. せんでした. It didn't. It did not. So yes, it does snow, but it did not snow a lot last year. So that's as far as I'm gonna go for this one today. Please, leave me in the comments any recommendations of what you would like to learn, what sort of questions you might have when it comes to taking the JLPT. I've been living in Japan for about 7 years, and I've been studying Japanese for a bit longer than that. I've been living here. I have experience taking the JLPT. I've gotten to JLPT 2. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and I will see you next time.